Unbelievable! These 5 micro campers have full kitchens and bathrooms, under 16 feet. You won't believe what's rolling off the lots in 2025. Tiny campers with full kitchens and real bathrooms, all under 16 feet long. Sounds impossible, right? But these micro-sized beasts are breaking every rule in the book. Imagine pulling into a campsite, opening the hatch, and cooking a full meal on a real stove. Then stepping into your own private bathroom with a flushing toilet and hot shower. Yes, all of that without hauling a massive RV or needing a special license to tow. So, ready to see what tiny living really looks like in 2025? Grab a seat, hit that subscribe button, and stick around, because you're not ready for what's coming next. Scamp 13-foot Deluxe. The first on our list is the Scamp 13-foot Deluxe. Don't let the tiny frame fool you. This 13-foot trailer is a legend in the world of micro campers. The Scamp 13-foot Deluxe proves that big dreams can fit in small spaces. At just 13 feet long and around 1,500 pounds, this fiberglass wonder can be towed by almost any car. Yes, even a compact SUV. Inside, you've got a surprising amount of functionality. The rear dinette transforms into a double bed, and there's a smaller seating area up front that converts into a twin. But the real shocker? A fully functioning kitchen with a 2-burner stove, sink with running water, and a 3 cubic foot fridge. And yes, there's an optional wet bath, a compact setup with a flush toilet and shower tucked into the front corner of the trailer. It's not just practical, it's private, clean, and completely self-contained. Despite the small size, storage is clever and plentiful. Cabinets line the upper walls, and there's even space for a closet. With the Deluxe trim, you get a finished wood interior that makes it feel more like a cozy cabin than a camper. For solo travelers or adventurous couples, the Scamp 13-foot is freedom on wheels. Compact, classic, and completely unforgettable. Happier Camper HC1 Studio. Now this one is what you could call next-level futuristic. This is the Happier Camper HC1 Studio, a lightweight modular trailer that's only 14 feet long and yet somehow has a real kitchen, a bathroom, and a vibe that screams modern minimalism. Let's talk kitchen first. It comes fully equipped with a dual-burner stove, a sink with running water, and a top-loaded fridge built right into the adaptive modular cube system. Everything locks into place but can be rearranged in seconds. Need a bed? Slide out the cubes. Need dining space? Reconfigure it. It's like camping Lego for grown-ups. Now, the real shocker is that the HC1 Studio includes a wet bath, with a cassette toilet and shower all tucked into a sleek waterproof compartment. And yes, there's hot water thanks to an on-demand water heater. This camper is built with a fiberglass shell, keeping the weight down to just over 1,800 pounds. That means most crossovers and small SUVs can tow it with no stress. It also includes a solar panel setup, USB ports, and optional AC, making it a dream for off-grid adventurers or digital nomads. Also, large panoramic windows flood the cabin with light, while the wide rear hatch opens things up for indoor-outdoor flow. It's basically a mobile tiny house. The Happier Camper HC1 Studio proves you don't have to choose between freedom and comfort. Ember RV E-Series 12 MRK. Welcome to the Ember RV E-Series 12 MRK, a compact powerhouse that's officially part of the 2025 lineup, and it's only 15 feet 6 inches long. Designed for modern nomads, this micro trailer delivers big-time features without the big-time size. It has an outdoor-only kitchen feature. You get a dual-burner recessed cooktop, microwave, large farmhouse-style sink, and a 4.5 cubic foot 12-volt fridge. There's even real counter space to prep meals, plus overhead cabinets for your pantry items. The interior features a Murphy bed that converts into a jackknife sofa, so you get sleeping and lounging space in one. Add the 81-inch ceiling height, panoramic windows, and LED lighting, and it feels way roomier than its footprint suggests. Built with Ember's signature off-road chassis, Goodyear all-terrain tires, and independent suspension, it's adventure-ready from the jump. Solar prep, a 1,000-watt inverter, and optional lithium batteries make off-grid camping a breeze. The 12 MRK is proof that comfort, style, and rugged capability can come in under 16 feet. And trust me, if you're a fan of sharp angles and space-age design, Camper 4 is gonna blow your mind. Polydrop P19 Shorty. Sleek, bold, and totally different. The Polydrop P19 Shorty is not your average camper, because if Tesla made a camper, it would look like this. At just 13.5 feet long, it's built for solo travelers or couples who want high design, low weight, and full functionality, including a modular kitchen package. All under 14 feet. Its futuristic teardrop shape isn't just for looks. It's aerodynamic, ultra-insulated, and lightweight. The aluminum frame and composite shell keep the dry weight under 1,500 pounds, so even a sedan can tow it. But the real surprise? It's inside. The kitchen is located at the rear hatch and includes a dual-burner induction cooktop, 12-volt fridge, deep sink, and ample storage drawers for cookware and supplies. There's even counter space, which is rare in campers this small. Inside the cabin, you get a full-size memory foam mattress, dimmable LED lights, built-in shelves, climate control, and solar-powered battery options for off-grid use. Plus, the walls are insulated with aerospace-grade materials, perfect for all-season travel. This camper is for those who want modern style, tech-smart systems, and minimalist luxury in a tiny footprint. A Taxa Tigermoth Overland. Get ready to meet a camper that folds out, flips open, and transforms into a full-blown adventure hub without crossing the 16-foot line. The Taxa Tigermoth Overland is only 12 feet 10 inches long, but it's packed with features you'd expect from something twice its size. To begin with, the kitchen. The slide-out galley at the rear includes a pull-out 2-burner stove, counter space, water system, storage drawers, and space for a Yeti-style cooler or fridge. Everything's compact, accessible, and ready for cooking outdoors. It's rugged, efficient, and completely off-grid capable. Now the big surprise, the bathroom setup. While it doesn't have a fixed indoor bathroom, it comes with a portable toilet, an outdoor shower system, and a privacy tent giving you the freedom to clean up anywhere, anytime. Inside, the cabin sleeps 2 adults comfortably on a full-size bed platform, with modular storage and room for gear. The Overland model includes all-terrain tires, a lift kit, and roof racks, perfect for hauling bikes, kayaks, or even a rooftop tent for extra sleeping space. Weighing just 1,300 pounds, this beast can be towed by nearly anything, even a Subaru. So who said tiny campers can't do it all? These micro rigs prove that you don't need 30 feet of trailer to cook a full meal, take a hot shower, and sleep in serious comfort. Under 16 feet and still rocking kitchens and bathrooms? That's the future of travel, and it's already here in 2025. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a full-time nomad, or just someone who wants freedom without the bulk, these compact beasts have your back. Drop your favorite in the comments. And if you love smart, small space design and wild adventure gear, hit that like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because we've got even more insane rigs coming your way.